Silence. The Court is in Session, by Vijay Tendulkar, is a powerful play that explores themes of social hypocrisy, gender discrimination, and the abuse of power. Set in a small town in India, the play unfolds as a group of amateur actors prepare for a mock trial that quickly becomes a real and scathing examination of societal norms and individual morality. The play begins with a group of amateur actors, part of a drama troupe, arriving at a small village to stage a play. The main characters include Miss Leela Benair, a schoolteacher; Mr. Kashikar, the leader of the group; Mrs. Kashikar; Mr. Sukhatmi, a lawyer; Mr. Pankshi, a science teacher; and Mr. Roke, a clerk. The setting is a local schoolroom where the rehearsal is to take place. The troupe decides to stage a mock trial as part of their rehearsal, with Leela Benair as the accused. The mock trial is intended to be a harmless exercise, but it quickly takes a serious turn. Benair is accused of a serious charge that puts her character and morality on trial. The accusations against Benair center on her alleged illicit relationship with Professor Damal, a member of the troupe who is absent from the scene. She is accused of bearing a child out of wedlock, which becomes the central focus of the trial. This mock trial exposes the deep-seated prejudices and moral judgments of the society. As the trial progresses, it becomes clear that the other members of the troupe harbor personal grudges and societal biases against Benair. Mr. and Mrs. Kashikar, in particular, reveal their deep-seated conservative values and use the trial as an opportunity to shame and punish Benair for her perceived transgressions. Benair initially tries to laugh off the accusations, treating the trial as a game. However, as the accusations become more serious and personal, she attempts to defend herself. She speaks passionately about her right to personal freedom and condemns the hypocrisy of the society that judges her. The trial reveals the hypocrisy of the male characters, who judge Benair harshly while ignoring their own moral failings. Mr. Sukhatmi, the lawyer, and Mr. Kashikar, who presides over the trial, both reveal their patriarchal and chauvinistic attitudes, highlighting the double standards applied to men and women. Through her defense, Benair reveals her past struggles, her love for Professor Damal, and the societal pressures that have forced her into a corner. Her impassioned speech underscores the plight of women who are judged and ostracized for their personal choices and desires. The climax of the play comes when Benair, unable to withstand the relentless scrutiny and humiliation, breaks down emotionally. She confesses her love for Damal and reveals the pain of her unfulfilled desires and societal rejection. Her breakdown serves as a powerful indictment of the societal norms that oppress and devalue women. The mock trial ends with a harsh verdict against Benair, symbolizing the societal judgment she faces. The title of the play, Silence. The Court is in Session, reflects the imposed silence on Benair and, by extension, on all women who dare to defy societal norms. The verdict is not just about Benair but is a commentary on the broader societal tendency to silence and control women. The play concludes with a somber reflection on the events that have transpired. Tendulkar's work is a scathing critique of the social and moral hypocrisy that allows for the persecution of women under the guise of upholding moral values. The play leaves the audience with a profound sense of the injustice and the need for societal change. Tendulkar's play is a powerful critique of social hypocrisy and the moral double standards prevalent in society. The mock trial serves as a microcosm of societal judgment, exposing how individuals use moral righteousness to oppress and control others, particularly women. The central theme of the play is gender discrimination. Benair's plight highlights the patriarchal values that dictate women's behavior and punish them for deviating from prescribed roles. The male characters' attitudes and actions reveal deep-seated misogyny and the societal tendency to police women's morality. Although the trial is mock, it serves as a critique of the legal and judicial system that often upholds and reinforces societal prejudices. The conduct of the trial, The biases of the characters, and the ultimate verdict reflect the flaws and injustices of the real legal system.